Good morning and welcome to Afro Sparrow Times once again. What I'm actually showing you here is next to a riverbank, and this is a river terrace, as you can see. And the river terrace has formed as a result of skidding and subsidence of this landscape. The landmass has subsided, and you can see even to the other inner end there's a lot of light there, and this has subsided just because this water has been ravaging these slopes, especially the bank, and this side has been ravaged by the water, and an ingrown meander was forming, and in the process this mass of land remained hanging. And even this plant, you can see, was on a mass of land that was hanging. And so because of the hanging mass that felt had a lot of weight, that had nowhere to stabilize or to hold on, it had to sink. And so we have got such kinds of terraces. So waters have devastating effects to those that think that waters have no hands. Waters have hands. And so we expect nearer to this mass of land, this place to be shallow a little bit, because soil has just fallen into this particular area. This is quite beautiful. We can continue with part B of our study, and you can see that this is a newly formed river terrace, and this mass of land has just skid some few days ago, and you can see this. Yeah, you can see this. It got to skid a few days ago. It's not taken that long. It's not taken that long. And these places are awesome. And this is not anywhere very far. In Europe, there's also in Africa. And you can see the mass of land is still kinda as skidded and it's stable. I'm just standing atop the massive piece, and this is quite awesome, as you can see, and as you can enjoy that piece of study. You can see how massive and of devastating effect the impact of water can be on the landscape. There are people who are told, don't build on such a particular place because you will have a devastating effect. And they say, oh no, why? We can just try and maneuver it and make water to get a new path. No, that is a dire lie. Let's continue with our study. As you can see, this terrace, the place is quite stable. I'm not even fearful of the same because I know it had sunk. This is the water, and you look at this water, you see it and you say, this one cannot do anything. But its devastating effect is so immense. So immense. Look at that. I love geophysics. I love geophysics. I love geophysics. And hopefully you love geophysics too. And if you don't love it, then the only thing I can do to you is to make sure that you love geophysics. Just look at the terrace. Look at the terrace. It's quite awesome. This vegetation, these reeds standing here, are actually enjoying the beauties of water. I want you to see even that sugar. There is a eucalyptus there, and the eucalyptus is kind of standing just next to the water, as someone thought perhaps if they plant it there. I want to look at the roots. Down here, the roots are super hanging. The roots of that eucalyptus tree are super hanging. They are super hanging. You can see them. It's so beautiful, the devastating impact of water. When you get to study and get to enjoy of it, just see. These are terraces, but the land